If you are looking for a small, compact camera for inside your home, this one is packed with everything you need to keep an eye on what matters most. With this camera, you will have multiple options for storing the information and your precious moments. Whether you prefer an SD card or 24/7 cloud service, you get a 30-day trial. When it comes to quality, you will be surprised. This little guy packs a punch. Super clear 2K resolution with an ultra wide 150-degree view. The crystal night vision ensures even in darkness, the moments will be captured. And it's easy to stay connected. 2 people can be connected to the device at any time. And best of all, setup is a breeze. You can go completely cordless with the rechargeable battery. Install anywhere in your home with the adhesive or use the 2 included screws. Enjoy seamless security, clear resolution, and true peace of mind with this indoor camera.